Hey everyone, today, we are diving into the stylish world of Charlie Chauhan. From her iconic TV roles to her social media presence, Charlie's fashion game is always on point. Let's explore some of her most modern and chic fashion choices that are making waves in the fashion world. The actress often gravitates towards casual, comfortable pieces like graphic t-shirts paired with distressed or high-waisted jeans. This look is often accentuated with sneakers or casual loafers, making it perfect for everyday wear. Embracing the athleisure trend, she frequently sports stylish activewear, including crop tops, leggings, and chic tracksuits. This blend of athletic and leisure wear aligns with her on-the-go lifestyle. She masterfully uses layering to add dimension to her outfits, often seen combining jackets or oversized shirts with basic tops and bottoms for a chic yet effortless look. For red carpet events and formal occasions, Charlie opts for glamorous dresses that range from classic LBDs to floor-length gowns. She often chooses designs that feature intricate embellishments, bold cuts, or unique textures. Embracing her Indian roots, she sometimes opts for contemporary versions of traditional attire, like saris or lehengas with modern silhouettes and fabric choices, blending cultural heritage with contemporary fashion. Her bohemian style is characterized by her choice of flowy maxi dresses, skirts with ethnic prints, and peasant blouses. These pieces often feature earthy tones, floral patterns, and relaxed fits that exude a free-spirited vibe. She skillfully executes monochromatic outfits, especially in darker hues, to create a striking and cohesive look. These ensembles often highlight her confidence and fashion-forward approach. Combining comfort with style, Charlie frequently dons casual chic outfits. Blazers paired with jeans or trousers create a polished yet approachable look suitable for various settings. Her everyday wardrobe also includes a selection of light, breezy summer dresses, perfect for warm weather and casual outings. Her ability to blend traditional Indian attire with modern fashion elements is noteworthy. Whether it's pairing a crop top with a sari or wearing traditional jewelry with a Western outfit, she creates a unique fusion style. She experiments with innovative draping techniques for saris or kurtas, adding a contemporary twist to classic outfits and making them more accessible and trendy for modern occasions. For formal and red carpet events, Charlie gravitates towards luxurious fabrics like silk, satin, and velvet. These materials add a rich, elegant touch to her evening gowns and cocktail dresses. In her casual and bohemian outfits, she often prefers lightweight and breathable fabrics such as cotton, chiffon, and linen. These allow for ease of movement and comfort while maintaining a stylish appearance. The beauty frequently incorporates textured details such as lace, embroidery, and embellishments into her outfits. These elements add depth and interest to her looks, making even simple pieces stand out. Charlie is not afraid to experiment with bold hues like red, cobalt blue, and emerald green. These colors not only make her outfits pop but also highlight her vibrant personality. For a softer, more understated look, she opts for pastel shades like blush pink, mint green, and lavender, as well as classic neutrals such as beige, white, and black. From floral and paisley to geometric and animal prints, the actress incorporates a variety of patterns into her wardrobe. She skillfully mixes and matches these patterns to create visually appealing and dynamic outfits. She often incorporates elements of Western fashion, such as structured blazers, tailored pants, and trench coats, into her wardrobe. These pieces lend a polished and sophisticated touch to her ensembles. Influences from global bohemian styles are evident in her use of fringes, beads, and flowy silhouettes. These elements reflect the carefree and eclectic spirit of festival fashion. She also explores fashion from East Asia, including oversized shirts, layered outfits, and minimalist designs. These influences add a fresh and contemporary edge to her style. For her day-to-day looks, the actress often opts for comfortable sneakers or chic flats. These choices are perfect for her casual and athleisure outfits, providing both style and comfort. When dressing up, she chooses statement heels with intricate designs, bold colors, or unique shapes. These heels not only elevate her height but also her entire look. Her collection includes a variety of boots, from ankle boots to thigh highs. Whether paired with dresses, skirts, or jeans, boots add a touch of edginess to her outfits. She often wears layered necklaces, stacked bracelets, and statement earrings. Her jewelry choices range from delicate and minimalistic to bold and eye-catching, depending on the outfit and occasion. From chic clutches and crossbody bags to oversized totes, the actress selects bags that are both functional and stylish. She favors designs that can seamlessly transition from day to night. Adding a playful element to her look, the actress sometimes accessorizes with hats and scarves. Be it a floppy hat for a beach day or a patterned scarf for a casual outing, these accessories add personality to her ensembles. In the warmer months, Charlie favors light, airy fabrics and bright colors. She often sports sundresses, shorts, and tank tops, paired with sandals or espadrilles. For colder weather, she layers up with stylish coats, jackets, and knitwear. Her winter wardrobe features cozy materials like woolen cashmere, along with boots and warm accessories. During the transitional seasons of spring and fall, her outfits often include versatile pieces like trench coats, cardigans, and light sweaters, suitable for varying temperatures. She experiments with a range of hairstyles, from sleek ponytails and tousled waves to intricate braids and chic buns. Her hair choices complement her outfits and the overall vibe she aims to convey. Charlie occasionally explores different hair colors, from natural browns and blacks to playful highlights and even bold shades like platinum or pastel hues. Her makeup varies from natural, no makeup looks for casual days to dramatic, bold looks for special occasions. Smoky eyes, winged eyeliner, and vibrant lip colors are part of her makeup repertoire, allowing her to express different facets of her style. She often showcases her fit physique in stylish activewear, including sports bras, leggings, and athletic tops. Her activewear choices are both functional and trendy, suitable for workouts or casual outings. Many of her outfits, both casual and formal, are designed to highlight her toned figure. Fit and flare dresses, crop tops, and high-waisted pants are staples that flatter her silhouette. Whether dressed up or down, her outfits always have an element of effortless elegance. She seamlessly combines comfort with style, making her looks appear easy and naturally chic. Her fashion sense often incorporates youthful and playful elements, reflecting her vibrant personality and keeping her looks fresh and contemporary. Her ability to adapt to various styles and trends while maintaining a cohesive personal brand demonstrates her versatility and deep understanding of fashion. The actress often endorses and wears clothing from brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices. These brands may use organic materials, fair trade labor, and sustainable production processes. She occasionally incorporates upcycled or DIY pieces into her wardrobe. This not only adds a unique touch to her outfits but also promotes a more sustainable approach to fashion. Embracing the "less is more" philosophy, Charlie sometimes opts for a minimalist wardrobe, focusing on quality over quantity and choosing versatile pieces that can be styled in multiple ways. The actress is seen exploring clothing that integrates technology, such as smart fabrics that regulate temperature or accessories with built-in technology like smartwatches. She utilizes fashion and styling apps to experiment with new looks and plan her outfits. She follows global fashion influences and designers, integrating their insights into her personal style. Incorporating elements from punk and rock subcultures, Charlie often wears leather jackets, studded accessories, and graphic tees. These pieces add a rebellious edge to her look. Streetwear is a significant part of her style, with oversized hoodies, sneakers, and casual yet trendy outfits. This reflects a connection to urban culture and a love for comfortable, stylish clothing. Drawing from past decades, she sometimes channels vintage or retro vibes through high-waisted jeans, polka dot dresses, and retro prints, blending old-school charm with modern sensibilities. From breezy kaftans to vibrant swimsuits, her beachwear reflects her love for coastal getaways. She often opts for flowy, lightweight fabrics and bold, tropical prints. Her travels inspire her to incorporate elements from different cultures into her outfits, such as Indian motifs, African prints, or Japanese kimonos. This cultural fusion adds depth and richness to her style. Charlie also prioritizes functionality in her travel outfits. Comfortable shoes, practical bags, and versatile layers are staples in her travel wardrobe, ensuring she remains stylish without compromising on comfort. For high-profile events and red carpet appearances, the actress chooses stunning gowns, often with dramatic silhouettes, rich fabrics, and intricate embellishments. Her red carpet looks are polished and sophisticated, capturing the attention of the media and fans alike. At music festivals or concerts, her style leans towards bohemian and eclectic. Think fringed vests, floral headbands, and statement sunglasses, perfect for the festive atmosphere. For casual outings with friends or low-key social events, she opts for relaxed yet stylish ensembles, such as jeans paired with a trendy top or a simple dress accessorized with casual jewelry. Charlie's activewear includes stylish yoga pants, sports bras, and workout tops. These pieces are designed for flexibility and comfort, allowing her to move freely during her fitness routines. Her athleisure style transcends the gym, incorporating elements like leggings, hoodies, and sneakers into her everyday wear. This trend reflects her active lifestyle and the versatility of modern sportswear. She complements her activewear with functional accessories such as fitness tracker, sports watches, and gym bags, ensuring she's prepared for both workouts and casual activities. Charlie Chauhan is truly a fashion icon in her own right. Her ability to seamlessly blend different styles and trends while staying true to her personality is what makes her stand out. Which of Charlie's looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.